How to enable or disable microphone access in Windows 11 is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by left-clicking the Start button and searching for Settings. Now the best match will be the Settings app. Open that up. Now on the left, you can see Privacy and Security, which is the second one from the bottom. Click that. Now under that, you want on the right to scroll down until you see Microphone under the Add App Permissions microphone. Now, as you can see here, you have a bunch of apps that use it. You can turn it off for specific apps, enable or disable it for specific apps, or you can universally on your computer enable or disable microphone access, which you can do by toggling off these buttons individually. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.